Today, we visit with an employee at Trinity Woodworks in Oceanside, California, where custom casework and millwork is manufactured from hardwoods, steel, and laminates. The result is premium quality environments used in restaurants, airports, and other fine establishments.
My name is Oscar Espinoza, and I am the production manager here at Trinity Woodworks. We specialize in casework and countertop components, but we do anything that has to do with any type of wood finish. A good day for me is when at the end of the project, when we see everything come together. We see everything, like I said, we're a company that does everything from design all the way to installation. So that's one of the good things or nice things that I like about my work, is that I see everything from a designer's concept and we make it come together, and then we see it all as their design, their view, and we're able to see it and install it and just see 30, 40, 50 different pieces and just, make their view come true. I oversee everything that has to do with production, everything from reviewing jobs to releasing to the floor, overseeing how they get built, what departments it has to hit, all the way to final, which is where we set everything up and then get it ready to ship out to the job site. A lot of the other stuff is learned hands-on. It's just through the years, the experience of working in the industry and just working with the product and the issues you find here and there and other things that just make it go a lot easier and faster and just more productive. And so it's 40% schooling, 60% has been just hands-on experience. Experience is always a plus, but it's not always necessary. Sometimes I feel like bringing somebody that has no experience over somebody that does have experience, just because you're able to teach him the way you would want him to do certain things. Other people usually have habits. Sometimes they're good, sometimes they're bad, but you will know that until you actually, see him do the work. But I typically like to see somebody who's eager, motivated, driven, somebody that wants to learn and is really interested in this type of work, because those are the people that are really going to show you, what they got, what they want to do, and you'll see that right off the bat. They'll pick up pretty quick, and those are the ones that you'll see that get elevated through the company.